Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This one, I promise you, it's gonna be special. I'm so looking forward to this one. So at the moment we are at Kuwarasan Resort in Ubud. It is 5-star resort and it's gonna blow your mind. I promise you that. Make sure you stick all the way to the end of the video because we've got many surprises. We're gonna start with the villa today. So they basically have a 27 rooms here, but 4 of those rooms are villas. We gained exclusive access to one of the villas and we're gonna walk through the villa first and then we're gonna show you the rest of the resort. We're gonna show you some super exciting areas of the resort. We're gonna show you a winery, we're gonna show you amazing restaurant, and all of that is surrounded by absolutely super cool rice fields and the palm trees. Let's go, let's see.
So right now we are at the entrance of the villa, which we will be touring and showing to you. Let's go and see what it has to offer.
Let's go. Ooh.
We will leave the garden for the later. Okay. Entrance door to the villa is a nice sliding door. Come in. As we come in, the first thing which you can see and blows my mind by how large it is a bed. Most important part of the villa. Come on. Over here we've got a tea, coffee making facilities and minibar hidden, all hidden in this nice wooden furniture.
Yeah, yeah.
I bet it's comfortable.
Yeah.
Day bed, and it is. Right here we've got a working desk and a mirror. Very traditional design. Yeah, it's very, I can say it's all handcrafted, as most of the furniture in Bali, it's made by hands.
Yeah, look at that picture behind you.
Oh wow.
That is so nice.
Wow, interesting. What does it mean?
Yeah,
it must be like some story behind.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so we've got a quiet standard situation happening. 2 bedside tables, 2 nice lamps, and this is very important in Bali, mosquito nets.
Yeah,
to
mosquitoes.
Keep yourself protected.
And spray as well.
And spray.
I bet there is some spray hidden here.
Yeah, we've got a nice carpet on the floor.
Yeah.
When you get out of the bed. Beautiful decorations all over the place.
Mm-hmm. Really nice.
Yeah. In the corner we've got sofa with some more storage space. And let's see the bathroom.
That's actually TV, not sofa, but...
Sorry. Okay, as we come...
It's very similar.
As we come in the bathroom, I have to point out this. I have to point out the...
Highlights.
Highlight the massive bath, which is made out of the stone, as most of the baths in Bali.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And look at the view, guys. Imagine... I almost fell down. Imagine this. Imagine having a bath and having that look.
And look at the top.
Yeah, this is our top. I almost fell down second time.
Okay, and all these handcrafted decorations all over the whole villa.
And this is a standing shower, is it?
Yeah, quite a decent size.
I love flooring. I love it. Wooden flooring.
Okay, as we come in, we've got a massive mirror. Girls, you will enjoy it. Double sink? Double sinks, very beneficial, as we found out before, for couples.
Yeah.
Beautiful lamps. Massive mirror. On this side we've got loads of storage space. We've got iron board, hair dryer, and everything you would ever need.
What's behind that door?
Well, what are we missing?
Toilet.
Have a look.
Well, that's a pretty decent space for a toilet.
Yeah.
You certainly have enough of privacy here.
Even toilet is made nicely.
Yeah, I think everything in this villa is just spot on.
I have to say, obviously, I like the fact that it's all light, because you get so much daylight.
Yeah.
It's very important to mention.
Let's go out then.
As we go out, you've got your own private garden with a little, in it, not that little, but with your own infinity pool. That's why it's perfect for honeymooners.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And look at that surrounding over here, guys. Palm trees and all sorts of trees and flowers. 2 sunbeds right inside the swimming pool.
I'm speechless how lush green and how beautiful this place.
I keep falling today. Definitely, guys, let us know what you think about the villa so far.
Would you stay here?
If you stay here for a honeymoon or any other special occasion,
Yeah.
we definitely would.
Yeah.
And we probably will.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look at the other parts.
Okay, so we are right next to the winery.
Yeah.
Okay, and so basically you can come and pick the wine you would like to taste.
Obviously, you need to let them know.
Yeah, in advance.
But we did let them know, so do you want to go in?
Yeah. Yeah. It's very cool in here.
Yeah.
And basically you've got all the wine list here, so you pick what you want. And I must say that all the wines, grapes are imported from the certain countries and produced here in Bali.
Yep.
Yeah, so that's unique.
Let's have a look. What's the price of the wine? Over here, I think.
Here is the menu as well, yeah.
The
Okay.
price is 460k, and that's for a Riesling. It's pretty reasonable, huh?
That's Pinot Noir. Yeah.
Pinot Noir, was it?
Yeah. Yeah, so this is the price list if you want to see.
Okay.
That's for the bottle.
It's pretty good price.
Yeah, yeah.
We've
yeah.
seen worse in Bali.
For wine. Wine is very expensive in general in Bali.
Yeah.
So you can get your glass of wine, have a seat over here and enjoy the sunset.
Yeah, this is super cool place.
Yeah.
And look at the views, guys. This is literally all around the hotel. Guys, we are at the second floor of the hotel and we are in the restaurant and the bar area, and this is probably my favorite, not because it's a bar, because how stylish it is and what are the views. So let me show you what are the views around. Talking about the style, look at those bar chairs. Wow,
It's
leather combined with the
black details.
these are the views I was talking about.
Let's go and see.
Guys, once again, just imagine having a little coffee early in the morning, having these views. Wow! From this side you've got actually really cool views as well. And so many bar chairs. Wow, this
a large
actually,
place.
if it gets busy, I can imagine it is really vibrant at night. But style is literally spot on. Maybe we should get some cocktail, huh?
Yeah.
Right, guys, Alina will show you restaurant, which is over there, and it's a Japanese style restaurant. Let's have a look.
So we are right at the Japanese restaurant. Let's go and have a look. As would you imagine Japanese place to look like, with the low tables and sitting on the floor.
Wow, that is so cool.
Traditional.
Yeah, and look at how much light is here.
It's like a wooden construction. Very bright again, which I like.
Yeah,
And general vibe is very pleasant. It's like very peaceful.
yeah, it's like a very clean space. There is not too much of the stuff. Exactly how Japanese culture is based around, I'd say, right? It's very minimalistic. Just to keep your mind nice and clean.
And focusing on the things you are doing right now. In this place, eating.
Yeah, right, we're gonna go now to the third floor because they've got trust me guys, they've got
many
much more.
surprises,
This is
yeah.
so cool, so cool place. And we are at the 3rd floor of this resort, and after a bar, this is my favorite area again. Let's go and see.
Let's see why.
They actually have a pretty decent gym.
Look, that's a rooftop gym.
Look at that. It is pretty decent equipped gym. You need to understand, and many of you do understand already, when you stay in a hotel, very often it's
Average,
like 2 machines,
yeah.
nothing else. But here, look, you have all the machines. You do have a bench, dumbbells, treadmill. Wow, pretty impressive. But the best thing about that is the view.
For sure.
Surrounded by palm trees.
Imagine
It's so hyped. Oh my God. I'd love to stay here. We will for sure. So much space and so much light.
light. We appreciate light.
Just guys, have a look from this side.
Look at the views.
Unbelievable. Imagine having a morning or evening workout in here. Wow, wow. Let's go out. Guys, so this has been it for today. We both hope you enjoyed today's tour. Please let us know what kind of tours would you like us to do more of, what kind of properties would you like us to do more. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, please. Don't forget to subscribe, please. And we see you in the next video, guys. Take care.
See you.